It's your girl Macy, and today I'm about to bake some funfetti cupcakes. Okay, so I'm about to cook the funfetti cake mix with candy bits. The ingredients are 1 cup of water, 1.5 cup of oil, 3 eggs. Preheat the oven for 350. Yeah, this is cupcake batter. Okay, so first I'm gonna pour my cupcake batter in the mixer. Then I wanna add my eggs first. 2 eggs. Oh, second egg. Alright. Next, I need 1/2 cup of oil. Okay, 1/2 cup of oil. Oh. And now I need 1 cup of, okay, so I have my 1 cup of water. Now, so look, you can see it's mixing right now. Okay, so I got the cupcake papers. It say yay with the confetti. I'm gonna be cooking with this 12 cupcakes. It is done mixing. Now I'm about to put the cupcake batter inside the paper. Yeah, you know what I mean. This is the first cupcake. I filled it up. And I'm gonna get back with you guys after I finish putting them in there. Alright, you guys, so I'm done putting the cupcake batter in there. And look at my wonderful cupcakes. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in the oven. So I gotta put the timer on for 36 minutes. And I'm gonna get back with you guys once the cupcakes come out the oven. Alright, you guys, so look at the cupcakes. We have 14 minutes left. And look at the cupcakes, they're rising. Hopefully they turn out good. They got 14 minutes left, and I'm gonna get back with you guys after 14 minutes. My cupcakes are done. They are done, and I'm gonna take them out the oven. Okay, so the cupcakes gotta cool off for a little bit. And I'm gonna get the icing and stuff together. Look. Hi. Alright, guys, so them gotta cool off before I put the icing on there. I remember when we guys later. The cupcakes are cooled down. And now I'm about to put the rainbow chip icing on here. Ooh, looks delicious. So I'm gonna leave one off with icing because I better like icing on a cupcake. I don't know why. But yeah. Period. Look. Period. These cupcakes look so good. I just don't know how to put icing on a cupcake, so the icing might look a little bit so. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with my cupcakes, and yeah, they alright, but yeah, I did my dab. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Get this video to 15,000 likes and get me to 200k subscribers. Thank you guys for my 100k. I wouldn't be able to get my 100k plaque without you guys, so thank you guys. I love y'all so much. I love y'all so much. Thanks for watching on BadKidMacei channel.